This is Bell AH-1S Cobra attack helicopter. Executing classified mission somewhere in the south. This attack helicopter can give impressive air support for ground troops. Do you know that our armed forces have this in their arsenal? Yes, you hear it right. The boys of our Philippine Air Force are using Bell Super Cobra for quite some time. In this video, we will discuss more on details about on this one. So, buckle up and let's start. November 2019. 15th Strike Wing of Philippine Air Force. Received 2 units of refurbished Bell AH-1S Cobra attack helicopter. It is a government-to-government deal between Philippines and Jordan government. It cost only 160 million pesos. It cost lias because the Philippine government only pay the pilot training, refurbished, and transfer of the unit. In other words, the Jordanian government donated this 2 helicopter to our government to help the fight in Mindanao against ISIS-inspired group. Here are the weapons overview. 20mm 3-barrel Gatling gun. It can hold up to 38 70mm rockets. 2 Sidewinder air-to-air missile. 16 Hellfire missile for ground targets. Also, it can carry TOW missile and Spike ER missile. The Cobra attack helicopter has a cruise speed of 140 knots. Combat radius of 172 kilometers. Maximum range of 570 kilometers, and it can fly up to 3 hours. This attack helicopter is battle-tested. One of the famous battle theater is during Operations Desert Shield and Desert Storm in the Gulf War, 1990 to 1991. Don't think that it's not true. Here are some photos showing Cobra attack helicopter in Philippine Air Force Base. Credit to Max Defense blog spot. This latest addition to PAF 15 Strike Wing could boost its firepower. This will add to its existing fleet. As of this moment, 15th Strike Wing of Philippine Air Force have OV-10 Bronco, McDonnell Douglas 560 MG Defender, AW-109 E-Power, SF-260 TPW. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for daily updates.